Zero waste cooking is all about maximizing the use of ingredients and minimizing food waste in the kitchen. To effectively embrace this sustainable approach, several essential tools can help you make the most of your resources. Number 1, Sharp Chef's Knife. A good quality, Sharp Chef's Knife is crucial for efficient chopping, slicing, and dicing. It allows you to prep ingredients quickly and helps reduce waste by enabling precise cuts. Number 2, Cutting Board. Invest in a durable cutting board that can withstand heavy use. Consider using separate boards for fruits, vegetables, and proteins to avoid cross-contamination and make the most of every ingredient. Number 3, Compost Bin. A compost bin is essential for managing organic waste. Instead of throwing away vegetable scraps and peels, you can compost them to create nutrient-rich soil for gardening. Number 4, Glass Jars and Containers. Reusable glass jars and containers are perfect for storing leftovers, bulk ingredients, and scraps. They help keep food fresh and visible, making it easier to repurpose ingredients before they spoil. Number 5, Food Processor. A food processor can save time and effort in the kitchen, allowing you to easily chop, puree, or grate ingredients. It's especially useful for turning leftover vegetables into soups, dips, or sauces. Number 6, Beeswax wraps or silicone bags. Replace single-use plastic wraps with beeswax wraps or silicone bags. These eco-friendly alternatives can be used to cover food items, wrap sandwiches, or store leftovers, reducing plastic waste. Number 7, Scale. A kitchen scale can help you measure ingredients accurately, ensuring you only use what you need. This is particularly helpful for bulk cooking and reducing excess food. Number 8, Mandoline Slicer. A mandoline slicer allows for even and thin slicing of vegetables, which can help in using up leftover produce and creating uniform pieces for cooking or pickling. By equipping your kitchen with these essential tools, you can adopt a zero-waste cooking approach that emphasizes creativity and resourcefulness, ultimately reducing your environmental impact while making delicious meals.